This is the Iron Trader, TGIF. This morning, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look here at crude oil, and then we're going to take a look at the big oil ETF, XLE, and then we're going to take a look at UGA, which is the ETF for gasoline. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, first on the docket here, we have the crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, it broke through this key level here. If you look at the top of that candle, is 81.81. Okay, this is the big key that it broke up. It went sideways here for 6 days, then it broke up. But it went right into this key SMA here at 83.53. All right, so now what we have here, we have an indecision going on. Of course, it's very early this morning. So what we want to do is we want to look at this 83.53. If it can close above, then we look here on your 21 SMA here on your monthly chart. And this is going to be 86.09. That would be the first target. Then we have this 50-day here, SMA here on your weekly chart sitting at 88.33. The key is going to be a close above this 200 SMA. Now, on the downside, we want to look here at this 8 SMA. This one's sitting at 81.42. That's going to be key support. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at this 8 SMA here on your monthly chart here, sitting at 80.12. Now, if this does sell off hard, look at the bottom of this candle here. This is sitting at 79. That's the gap. This here is the fill. This is at 75.72. Now, if you look at these other SMAs here, the 21 here, the 50-day, and 100, these are going to be good support levels here if it does sell off before it gets to the gap fill. Then you also want to watch here on your weekly chart, your 21 SMA sitting here at 76.89 and your 75.92 on your 8-day SMA here on your weekly. But if you look here, see how this 21 one day is rolling up. The 50-day looks like it's rolling up. The key is going to be a close above this 83.53. I'll have more on oil here always after the pit close here at 2:30. All right, here we have the XLE. Now, this is the big oil ETF. Okay, so instead of playing Exxon and Chevron and Valero and Schlumberger, this is a basket of all of that. And also, it pays close to a 5% dividend. All right, let's look at the charts. We have your daily and your weekly chart. The key is going to be here, a close above this key level here at 87.25. If it can close above, then we do is we go to this next level here. We're just sitting right here at 89.19. Then we have this level here. We're sitting at 90.67. Then we go up here to this retest area up here, which you're sitting at 93.15. Now, on the downside, we always want to watch here is this 8 SMA. See how this curled right up, went above the 21, above the 200, and above the 50-day, and now you're headed towards the 100-day. Push that price right up. But now this is key support. So we want to look here at 86.07. That's going to be very key, and it comes right in line here with this 100 SMA here at 86.21. Now, if that is lost, then we have to look here towards this 50-day here at 84.23. And always keep in mind, especially on your back burner, is this candle right here. Okay, if you look at the low, this is 84.25. That's your gap. And right here, this candle here is 82.97. That's the fill in case this really sells off. Always look at these as key support levels here. Then if that's lost, then we have the 200 SMA here. You have your 21 SMA here. But this looks like a very bullish pattern. The key is going to be a close above this 87.25. All right, here we have UGA. Okay, this here is the ETF for gasoline. Okay, you're coming into summer driving here now. This is always a very good play here. You wanted to buy this right when it was in this area here, and then you put in a really nice double bottom there at 53.13. So let's look at where we are right now. So what we want to do is look on a weekly chart here. So we click into price channels. So it really needs to close above 65.21. That's going to be the key level. Your bottom channel here is sitting at 49.22. But you see how it came down, and you have just a nice sideways action. So the key is going to be breaking right above, and then it'll go to this candle here, which is basically 66.76. And then we could go to this candle, which would be right here. So you're looking at 73.99. And then we look at this candle here. You're looking at 77.01. And then your big retest here is at 80.29. On the downside, it's the same thing. We want to look at this 8 SMA right here. This is sitting at 63.80. See when the price went up, how that 8 SMA curled up? The price, it just keeps pushing the price right up. So this is going to be the key support level. If that is lost, then we want to go down and look at this candle right here. Okay, so the bottom of that candle is 61.30. And then we look at the top of this candle here. This is 61 flat. This will be your gap. This will be a fill. This will be your support levels before you start hitting all your SMAs here. Now you look how the 21 curled right on above here. Your 50-day looks like it's going to curl up here. So this actually could go much higher. But just watch this key support level here on the gasoline. All right, thanks for watching.